12 reasons to drink cinnamon tea daily. Cinnamon has been cherished in various cultures around the world for thousands of years, not just for its culinary uses, but also for its medicinal properties. And this reverence has evolved into a modern appreciation for cinnamon tea. With its enticing blend of warm, spicy flavor and comforting aroma, cinnamon tea isn't just a delightful beverage for the senses. It's packed with compounds that transform it into a potent natural remedy for enhancing your overall health. Without further ado, here's why cinnamon tea can be an invaluable addition to your daily routine. Number 1. Blood sugar regulation. Cinnamon's ability to aid in blood sugar regulation is truly remarkable. By enhancing insulin sensitivity, it streamlines the body's capability to keep blood glucose levels stable. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or pre-diabetes, as well as those looking to prevent sugar spikes and crashes that can lead to cravings and energy slumps. Integrating cinnamon tea into your diet could help smooth out those fluctuations and promote more balanced energy levels throughout the day. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. The anti-inflammatory properties of cinnamon mainly stem from its rich content of cinnamaldehyde, which has been shown to reduce inflammation systemically. Given that inflammation underlies many chronic diseases, such as arthritis, heart disease, and diabetes, including cinnamon tea in your daily regimen can act as a natural defense. Regularly consuming cinnamon tea can help protect your body against these conditions by providing a natural preventative measure that complements other healthful practices. Number 3. Improves digestive health. Cinnamon tea can be a godsend for anyone suffering from digestive issues. The calming effect of cinnamon can make your digestive system feel like it's getting a much-needed hug, easing those all-too-common discomforts like indigestion, gas, and that annoying bloated feeling. What's more, cinnamon is known to have antibacterial effects that can help maintain a healthy balance of gut flora. This is super important because a happy, balanced gut is key to digesting your food properly and keeping your overall health in check. Number 4. Boosts brain function. Regular consumption of cinnamon tea can lead to improvements in memory, attention, and cognitive processing speeds. Research has also highlighted cinnamon's potential to reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. These effects make it a valuable dietary addition for individuals across all age groups, from students looking to boost their academic performance to older adults aiming to preserve their mental agility. Number 5. Dental health benefits. Oral health is often the gateway to our overall well-being, underscoring the importance of maintaining a healthy mouth. In this context, cinnamon tea emerges as an unexpected yet potent ally. Its antibacterial properties are instrumental in combating the oral bacteria that lead to common dental problems, such as tooth decay and gum disease. The distinctive spicy scent of cinnamon also acts as a natural deodorizer, leaving a fresh, clean feeling in your mouth. Number 6. Weight loss support. Cinnamon is widely recognized for its ability to enhance metabolic processes and increase the body's energy expenditure. It also plays a role in appetite regulation. This means that sipping on cinnamon tea makes you less likely to cave into those cravings for sugary, high-calorie snacks. When paired with a balanced diet and regular exercise, it can help you reach and sustain your weight management goals. Number 7. Antioxidant benefits. The antioxidants in cinnamon, including polyphenols, flavonoids, and phenolic acid, are vital in fighting off oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. This oxidative stress is a contributing factor to aging and many diseases. By including cinnamon tea into your daily routine, You're giving your body an extra layer of protection against these harmful processes. Number 8. Supports respiratory health. For those suffering from chronic respiratory conditions, cinnamon tea may offer some relief. This spice's remarkable anti-inflammatory and antibacterial qualities tackle the root causes of discomfort, easing the symptoms associated with a range of respiratory conditions, including bronchitis, asthma, allergies, and sinus congestion. The steam from a hot cup of cinnamon tea can also aid in opening up airways, promoting easier breathing and better airflow. Number 9. Reduces cold symptoms. Cinnamon doesn't just warm your taste buds, it brings genuine warmth to your body. This makes it an excellent natural remedy during those pesky cold seasons. It works wonders by thinning out mucus, which often feels like it's got a chokehold on your respiratory system. It also promotes sweating, thereby helping reduce fevers naturally. So the next time you're hit with a cold and feel miserable, reach for some cinnamon tea. Number 10. Improves circulation. Improved circulation is another great benefit offered by cinnamon. It enhances oxygen and nutrient delivery throughout the body. This not only helps in warming cold extremities, but also supports overall vitality and energy levels. When your circulation is on point, it's like upgrading to express delivery for all the good stuff your cells need to function at their best. This means better performance, quicker recovery from workouts, and even a more radiant complexion. Essentially, enjoying a cup of cinnamon tea can help you feel more energized and vibrant from the inside out. Number 11. Helps in Candida treatment. Candida overgrowth, while common, frequently flies under the radar, potentially causing a wide array of disruptive symptoms, ranging from persistent fatigue and uncomfortable digestive issues to recurring yeast infections. By including cinnamon in your diet, you're employing a natural and powerful tool to keep Candida populations within a healthy balance. This can have far-reaching benefits for your overall health, from better nutrient absorption to enhanced immune function. Number 12. Mood enhancer. The distinctive scent of cinnamon has an astonishing ability to elevate one's spirits, offering a sense of comfort and familiarity. But the psychological impact of cinnamon's fragrance is not merely anecdotal. It is grounded in scientific research that highlights its potent mood-enhancing effects, indicating that the spice can significantly reduce feelings of irritability and stress. Whether as a morning ritual to start your day on a positive note or a soothing break from a long day's demands, cinnamon tea proves to be a perfect, uplifting companion. As you can see, this aromatic spice is a true miracle of nature. From improved digestion and heart health to enhanced mood and cognitive function, adding cinnamon tea to your daily regimen offers a myriad of health benefits. Just keep in mind that there are different types of cinnamon. Ceylon cinnamon is the preferred choice for consumption over an extended period, as it is a safer and higher quality alternative to the common cassia cinnamon. Of course, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet or health regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions or are pregnant. Thank you for watching. If you found this video to be informative, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family, as it helps us produce more valuable content. To stay up to date with our latest videos, remember to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss out on any future content.